just a crocodile out there this morning. If you're dead one, please pick it away because they eat a lot. Me and them are so tired and I'm exhausted about it. Just let me see. I think we have arrived. We're in the jungle. And two elephants are welcoming us over there. Let's just approach them and say hello to them all together. Hello! Woo! Smart elephant and baby elephant. You're lucky you're still learning how to use the strap, but next time, don't stay at the bar. Otherwise you may be a song. That's another one. His brother elephant sticking a shiny. Please, I know he's attractive, but stop looking at it. If you feel embarrassed, praise us. And I know we'll be cool about what you watch from. Oh, that's another one, please. Wait. His brother elephant tea. So please, I know you want to play with us, but no, I'm in a hurry. I'm not free at this moment. Don't be rude. No one want to get wet. Please, wait me. I will come back as soon as possible. Just wait me. Don't be rude there. Oh my God. It's always so naughty. Luckily, no one get wet. But everything here seems destroyed. And it's becoming darker and darker. And it makes spiders all around. Please don't let the long hairless grab your arms. Otherwise, I really don't know where they're going. And they look so disgusting, you see.
Apa dia? Ini dia bubik.
That's right.
Wala na.
That's right. That's all. This is what I want to know.
Ini udang ang ano.
Don't think any action.
Next.
Sunshine is back. Just double check if there's any spider snakes on the boat. Try to find your shoulder, your knee. Alright. I think we save at this moment. Oh, that's why I can't find any crocodiles. They're all here. Experts, please help me block all the door. I know you're hungry, but I have no food.
Oh my gosh.
Stop opening your mouth. Go back and find a friend. Alright. Your afternoon tea is ready. You're no crocodiles, that's safe. And it's time for me to introduce the scientists. The scientist is missing. I don't know where he is. But the girl. What was that? The girl is hurting against his leg. No, stop it. Never shoot. So dangerous, please. Can you please stop shooting? No. I think we have to leave. Maybe they don't understand why I'm safe. Let us leave it, bro. Just keep shooting and I don't want to get in. Oh. We can finally take a break because we have arrived. The safest place in this jungle. This is the African safari. Yes, the largest African elephant sea is so cool, so huge, you see. And they are picking us up back. And there's this bloke standing right behind me. Sorry, I really can't notice you, alright? Don't come to my boat, I'll bring you bananas. Next time, don't keep staring at me, don't be angry. Alright, just focus on the reaper again. See, the hippo's hiding in the reaper. We're in the hippo group now. Oh, your hippo jumping out, be careful. And on your left hand side as well. Hippo! But that's my first. Oh, do you know your campsite is full of gorillas? But you seem to see in a very dangerous situation. My friends are in trouble. Anyone please save them for me? It's definitely not the photo sign. I don't need any photo of them. No, but never mind. Seems no one is willing to do so. And my boat is full now. Just give me some time to send them back first, and I'll count them later. Don't fall down, alright? You can do it. We have to hurry up. Otherwise, I'm just crying for my brothers. Then everyone has to stay here with me. But while we're rushing, we have entered local village. But anyone here? Hello? Any villages? Please. Oh. Hello! Don't be shy. We are hungry. Whatever, maybe you don't want to play with us. Never mind. We'll leave you back very soon. Just look at the wall. They are not here anymore. But there's, if you're sitting at the bar, prepare yourself, please. You're the closest to the village. And they want to do a shoot, right? Careful, they may come. So just keep quiet, don't be fooled. If they come on my boat, then my boat will be overloaded. I don't want to fall into the river, please. I hate swimming.